Right, well done. Nice, well done. Okay, let's see. So you've been sleeping in a different bed, you notice that's been better. Fine, okay. Been bugging the right side? Well, not too bad.
It's not been too bad, no.
Good, okay. Pop onto this side, facing me this way. And deep breath out. Relax the body. Nice, well done. Onto your back for me. Good. You okay? Big one today. Good. Take a deep breath in and out. Nice. Deep breath in and out. Nice. Well done. And relax. Good. And how's, because I know you mentioned the pain into the hips when you've been like walking.
Yeah.
Have you been trying to go for any more walks?
Yeah,
more
we try and do it every day, but
nice. Even a couple times a week is
exactly.
good.
Well, we're getting them at least a couple of times a week.
Oh, good. Okay.
But last night when we went, it was
Uncomfortable.
It was like pain in one side.
Fine.
It was absolutely awful to start with.
Fine. Deep breath in, deep breath out. No, good. Let me just feel this one. Yeah, that one's great.